It's time to shake a leg. Understanding this vibrant English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun and energetic English phrase. Time to shake a leg. This expression is rich in cultural meaning and is a fantastic example of the colorful nature of the English language. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just looking to expand your idiomatic vocabulary, understanding phrases like this can make your English more vibrant and authentic. So, let's get moving and explore what it means to shake a leg. Time to shake a leg is an idiomatic expression used to encourage someone to start moving or to hurry up. It's akin to saying, "Let's go," or "Hurry up," but with a more playful and less urgent tone. The phrase can be used in various situations, from urging someone to get out of bed in the morning to encouraging friends to move faster to catch a movie. The phrase, shake a leg, has interesting origins. While its exact roots are hard to pin down, it is believed to have naval or maritime beginnings. Sailors were often told to shake a leg to show they were awake and ready for duty. Another theory suggests that it comes from the dance world, where dancers would literally shake their legs to the music. Regardless of its origins, the phrase has evolved to signify the act of starting something or getting moving. Using time to shake a leg is straightforward. It's best employed in casual settings among friends or family. For example, in the morning, "Come on, everyone. Time to shake a leg, or we'll be late for the trip." Getting ready to leave, "We should really shake a leg if we want to beat the traffic." It's a light-hearted way to add a sense of urgency without sounding too stern. Like many English idioms, time to shake a leg has variations. You might hear, "Shake a leg," "Let's shake a leg," "Time to move it." All these convey a similar sense of urgency or the need to start moving, but with slight nuances depending on the context and tone used. And that's a wrap on time to shake a leg. We hope this video has shed some light on this lively English phrase and that you're now more comfortable using it in your conversations. English is a rich language full of interesting idioms like this, and mastering them will make your English sound more natural and fluent. Thanks for joining us, and remember, it's always a good time to learn something new. Shake a leg and dive into more English learning.